Hi, everyone! Today we're featuring a premium interior design piece from Dazuma. The package includes one accessory kit containing a small bag of mounting screws and screw caps, one transparent cable tie, and one metal mounting bracket, one high-intensity light bulb, a product light strip and power cord, a product lid, a crystal glass lampshade, Next, we'll assemble these three parts together. First, remove the screws from the product's metal mounting bracket. Next, thread the screw you just removed through the power cord. Next, thread the power cord through the top cover of the product. Next, thread the power cord through the product's mounting bracket. Next, please attach the transparent ring that secures the power cord from the small accessories pack. Please connect the product's power cord to your power source. Please snap the product's mounting bracket into the electrical box. Install the mounting screws from the small parts kit. Next, please tighten the mounting screws securely. Tighten the clear screws on the power cord retention ring. Remove the second metal ring from the light channel. Please install the crystal glass shade, and then reattach the metal ring you just removed. Please install the light bulb into the light fixture. Turning the switch clockwise turns the light on. Turning it clockwise again turns the light off. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.